Alright, hey, what's up, YouTube? Today on Tech Bob Productions, I'm gonna show you how to make a action shot muzzle flash. This is from the actual essentials to this, but they are big files and it would take forever to render, so I'm just using regular action movie essentials. Go over here, go to let's do, I'm not sure. What does it look like when it shoots? Guess the 9mm would be okay. Just for the purpose of this video. What is that got there? Drag this one above, slide it way over, and bring that forward. Let's take the rotation tool, rotation, and just rotate it a little bit. Maybe a little more. Now let's take this and drag it down. And there you got a simple muzzle flash. You can see it comes right out. What you should do is choose mode to add. It makes it look, a screen actually makes it look a ton better. Looks more realistic. It's like, cause you can see through smoke like normal. But let's try add. That didn't work. Classic color, but anyway, that does look cool. Here we are in add, but that is the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing. So yeah, see you later.